I'm Gavin, and I'm going to make you a delicious oatmeal treat. This is a delicious, wholesome, hearty, and healthy bowl of oats. So what do we need? It's all right here. We've got steel-cut, quick 3-minute oats, sliced almonds, some golden raisins, sliced frozen peaches, cinnamon, a little brown sugar, some nutmeg, a dash of salt, and some almond milk. Here I am slicing the peaches. If you let them thaw for a minute, they're easier to slice. It's time to toast, so let's turn the pan to medium. I've got a 1/4 cup of sliced almonds that I sliced with my tiny mandolin. Just kidding. I bought them pre-sliced. And now I let them toast for a few minutes. And to make the oats, let's add 3/4 cup of almond milk, 1/4 cup of quick oats, the steel cut variety, and then we put them in the microwave. Cook them on 50% power for 3 minutes. While the oats are cooking, constantly shake and stir the almonds. I got mine a little too done, but they'll be fine. So I take them out and put them in a bowl to stop the cooking. So let's get the oats. They should be done now. And pour them on top of the almonds. Next add 2 to 3 tablespoons of golden raisins, 2 to 3 teaspoons of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and the sliced peaches. Watch your hands. I was being very careful. And for that special ingredient, I always keep a nutmeg in my pocket, just like Alton Brown. And I grate a little bit on top, about 1/8 to 1/4 of a teaspoon. Then mix, and it's ready to serve. I did cheat and add a little bit of whipped cream. I couldn't resist. Nice.